Hey, it's Rick Rose, Coach Rick Rose from Flip Mastery. Today we're going to talk a little bit about due diligence. We need to be careful. We cannot make emotional decisions. We can only make business decisions, which means, well, I'm not going to buy that one because I don't like the color. Here's a gallon of paint, change the color. We're not going to make those everything is a business decision. When we're doing our due diligence, there are 5 areas that a home inspector will look at: plumbing, electric, HVAC, the shingles on the roof or the roof, and the foundation. Everything else that they do is fluff. It's there to justify the amount of money that they charge to do an inspection. But those are the 5 main things. When I walk into a house, those are the 5 things that I look at. If something needs it doesn't, just because maybe the electrics need a little bit of touching or another plug here, that's not going to stop me from buying the house. If it's got knob and tube, that is a big consideration, and you have to work that into your costs for actually doing the renovations. So make sure that when you walk into a house for the first time, keep your eyes open, look around, put on that other cap that says contractor, and walk around and take a look, or inspector, and make sure that I never buy a place with structural issues. I will just turn around and walk out because they can wind up to be far too expensive. Do your due diligence, look at those 5 areas, make sure that it is a good house, and remember one thing: the only thing that I want to do when I'm walking into a house and renovating a house and flipping a house is brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom, brand new flooring, brand new paint, and brand new trim. And if I do only those things, I can do that in 30 days, 1 month, and for about $20,000 to $25,000. Anyway, that's your tip for today. Have a great day. If you have any questions, make sure you give me a call. See you soon.